Alright, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. So, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a bioweapon defense mode in your Tesla guide, okay? Bioweapon defense mode. So, you can do this in your Tesla to basically ensure that you have the cleanest air cabin possible. So, first things first, guys. So what you want to be doing to do this is go and tap on the climate icon on your Tesla touchscreen. This will take you to the climate control settings for your vehicle. Now, you basically just want to look for the bioweapon defense mode option. And depending on your model, it might be a toggle switch or a button, okay? Just tap on it to access the settings. And once you found it, just tap to turn on the bioweapon defense mode. You'll notice the air filtration system, guys, will actually activate, right? Providing maximum protection against those outside pollutants. And now, guys, you can just, monitor your air quality. Just keep an eye on the air quality indicator on your touchscreen. This will show you the current status of the cabin air and confirm that the mode is actually working effectively. Okay, guys, remember that this mode is best used in situations where you anticipate high levels of pollutions or allergens. You can easily disable it, guys, by tapping on the same button when you no longer need it, guys. And that's it, guys. So go ahead, hit that link in the description to upgrade your ride even further, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can actually see you guys